walnuts sell for, say, $2.20 a kilogram, while almonds sell for $2.40 per kilogram. $100 kilograms of mixed almonds and walnuts sold at $2.28 per kilogram. How much of each nut was used in the 100 kilograms? Okay, so in this case, we're mixing up two different priced nuts and combining them into a mixed priced nut. So what we have to do is we have to come up with our variables first. So that's fairly simple. I'm going to say W equals walnut amount sold, or used, I guess. And let's say A is equal to the almond used. Okay, so we know that for a fact that these two combined together gives us our 100 kilograms. Okay, so there was a total of 100 kilograms of walnuts and almonds in that mixture. So that's our first equation. We also know that if you take the price of the walnuts and you add it to the times its amount, because remember, cost is equal to the amount of something times its price. Okay, the amount used times its price. And you add that to the price times the amount of almonds used, you'll get the same thing as the mixed nuts price times the whole amount used. So what does that mean? Well, that means $2.20 times the walnuts plus well, we don't need the dollar sign here, I guess, times the $2.40 times the almonds is going to equal the mixed price. And what was the amount of the mixed price that we used? 100. So there is our second equation. Now we're gonna reduce this one a little bit, in the sense that if we were to take this and multiply this out, it would be this 2.28 would come out to be 228. So 2.20 walnut plus 2.40 almond is equal to 228. Okay, now we can also eliminate the decimal here in this equation. So I'm going to multiply everything by 100. 220 W plus 240A is equal to 228 times 100, which is that. So I've eliminated the decimals and I've simplified equation B. Now if I rearrange equation A so that I can get A is equal to 100 subtract W, I can use the substitution method here. So 220W plus 240 times 100 minus W is equal to 200, or not, it's 22,800 when we work it out. Work this out to get 24,000, subtract 240W equals 22,800. Forgot my plus sign here. Got to be careful here a little bit. So I want to combine the W's here, so I'll get negative 20W plus 24,000 equals 22,800. Subtract 24,000 from both sides, and I'm going to just check my field of view to make sure that's still in there. Maybe slide this up a little bit. Okay, so subtract 24,000 from both sides. So negative 20W, and I take my 24,000, subtracted from both sides. And if I do that, I get a negative number here. Okay. Then I want to divide that by 20, or negative 20, I suppose, to get 60 for W. Okay, so then I can solve for A. So our two numbers, our two masses, are 60 kilograms and 40 kilograms. So let's do a double check here. $2.40, or $2.20 times W, 60, plus $2.40 times A, which is 40, is going to equal $2.28 times 100. If we've done it correctly here. So working that out, that's 132. And this one here, $2.40 times 40 is equal 96. And of course this is 228. And that works out. So we can say that we had 40 kilograms of almonds and 60 kilograms of walnuts in the mixture. And that gives us a few examples of word problems in these tutorials. And next time we have tutorials, we'll be working on our next chapter. Hopefully this will help you.